Are you looking to become PMP certified in 2025? With increase in demand for skilled project managers, earning PMP certification can boost your career, open up new job opportunities, and significantly improve your earning potential. But how do you get started? In this video, I'll explain the exact roadmap that is required to get PMP certified this year. So let's dive in. First step is understanding what PMP certification is. The PMP, or Project Management Professional Certification, is a gold standard for project managers worldwide. Issued by Project Management Institute, that is PMI, it validates your ability to manage the projects efficiently, ensuring they meet deadlines, budgets, and scope requirements. Secondly, check the eligibility requirements. Before applying, make sure you meet the PMI's eligibility criteria. You need a 4-year degree plus 36 months of project management experience plus 35 hours of project management education. But what if you don't have a 4-year degree? You can still be certified. All you need is a high school diploma or any associate degree plus 60 months of project management experience plus 35 hours of project management education. But where do you get these 35 hours? PMI authorized training partners like StarAgile offer PMP courses to help you meet this requirement. Next step is to build your study plan. As we all know, PMP is not an easy exam. Here is how you should plan studying for it. Week 1 and 2. Understand the PMP exam content outline and project management methodologies like waterfall, agile, and hybrid. Week 3 to 6. Study the PMBOK guide, agile practice guide, and I'll recommend some important books later in the video. Week 7 and 8. Take the practice test to identify the weak areas and refine your knowledge. If you are studying part-time, aim for at least 3 to 4 months of preparation. Now, moving to the next step, choose the right study materials. Resources can make or break your PMP preparation. Here are 4 must-have study materials. First and foremost is PMBOK guide, which is a standard set of processes, guidelines, and best practices used in project management. Second source is Rita Mulke's PMP Exam Prep, which is great for practical insights. Third one is Head First PMP, which helps in interactive and visual learning. And fourth one is online courses and mock exams. Practice at least 1000 mock questions before the exam. Now that you are done with your preparation, next step is to apply for the PMP exam. Visit pmi.org, fill in all your experience details, and submit your application. Once it is approved, you can schedule your exam at a test center or take it online. Now let's see how much does the PMP exam cost. The PMP exam fee is $405 USD or 23,288 rupees for PMI members, and for non-members it is $555 USD or 47,150 rupees. The PMI membership costs $139 USD or 9,840 rupees annually. Finally, the last step, taking the PMP exam and passing. On the day of exam, stay calm and focused. PMP exam consists of 180 questions over 230 minutes across 3 domains. These are people, process, and business environment. The people domain covers 42%, which includes leadership, team management, and conflict resolution. Process domain covers 50%, including project execution, risk, and quality management. And 8% is a business environment, which covers compliance and organizational impact. Here's a quick time management tip. Spend about 1 minute per question and use the Mark for Review feature to revisit the tricky ones. So, by following these steps, now you are PMP certified. But remember, your certification is valid only for 3 years. To maintain your certification, you need 60 professional development units through training, webinars, or real-time world projects. So every 3 years, renew the certification and stay ahead in the project management. And that's your step-by-step roadmap to become PMP certified in 2025. If you are ready to get certified, join StarAgile's PMP certification training for expert guidance, mock interviews, and real-world case studies. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more career tips. And let me know in the comments if you are planning to take PMP exam this year. Let's crush it together.